Today we're going to be talking about a price prediction that was just given to Cardano. Let's get into the video. Hi everyone, my name is Zach and welcome back to Finance Bro. Before we get into the video, I'd like to ask you guys to please leave a comment of your favorite stock at the moment, why it's your favorite stock at the moment, and also leave a like and subscribe as it really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And if you guys have been wanting to join our private Discord, we just opened it back up after a few months off to revamp and make it even better for you guys. So if you guys want to join our private Discord, go ahead and click the first link in the description. If you want 2 free stocks, then go ahead and get your 2 free stocks from WeBull with the second link in the description. But with all that out of the way, let's get into our cryptocurrency for today, Cardano. So I was just looking through all of my cryptocurrencies that I own, and I looked at Cardano and saw that they had a pretty big spike in price, and I was wondering what could have done it. And it could have been a multitude of things, but it was an article done on the price prediction of Cardano, and then also Elon Musk talked about it as well. But first, let's go over these price predictions that were given to Cardano on May 13th. So basically, according to the latest long-term forecast, Cardano will hit $5 by the end of 2021, 20 by the end of 2022, which is going to be 10xing your money by the end of 2022, and then 50 within the year 2024, $100 2028, and $200 in 2031. That would be 100xing your money in about 10 years. But the good thing about Cardano, I know a lot of you are like, hey, we get 100% returns with stuff like Shiba Inu coin and SafeMoon, and yes, I would agree, you could easily take on more risk in order to get more reward. But the thing about Cardano is I think that it has a ton of potential. It's more than a hype coin. It's anything other than Bitcoin is an altcoin, but it is one of the top altcoins on the market, right behind Ethereum. I'd put a Cardano pretty much third, in my opinion. Some people say XRP, but I really do like Cardano. But the fact of the matter is, we can go over this little chart right here. By 2022, or by the end of the year of 2021, it says $6.05. So that's a 220% gain from Cardano at $1.89. It says you'll have 1,000% returns by the end of 2022, basically. It's crazy. Like, they really are bullish on these coinpriceforecast.com. They are bullish on Cardano. Even by 2026, they expect 3,000% returns, and there's not much risk to Cardano. In the next 5 years, if you're going to tell me that Cardano was the same price or below, I'd give that maybe a 0.0001% chance of happening. Cardano has basically no risk to go down, in my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor, don't take that as financial advice, but in my opinion, I just don't think this is a cryptocurrency that is going to go down anytime soon or in the future at all. And you have the potential to 10x your money by 2031. That is absolutely insane to me. I am a holder of Cardano, and I really love Cardano. But the fact of the matter, like this chart just put it into perspective for me and a lot of other people who are investing in Cardano. 200 by 2031, very, very possible. They also give forecasts for the next days and months, but I'm not going to give that too much, merit. Okay, so now we can move on. This is something I really like to use, Lunar Crush. We're not sponsored by Lunar Crush. I basically just use it every day, so I figure I bring it up in the videos. Basically, it shows you how much social volume is like with the cryptocurrency. So as you see, as soon as Elon Musk said that they're not going to be taking Bitcoin and might be moving into we're going to go over this in a second, but basically they will be checking out different type of cryptocurrencies. Basically, Cardano was one of the cryptocurrencies that were mentioned, and immediately shot up from 160 all the way up to about $1.87 at its peak. I think it even went above that too, but not too sure. But the social volume went crazy up. Basically, if these are all green, that means that the cryptocurrency is talked about a lot on the internet. And these are all green, which is very good, up 124% in social engagement, which means that a lot of people are talking about this online, and that means more people will be introduced to Cardano and possibly buy Cardano. But yeah, so basically, I like to use Lunar Crush. We're not sponsored by them. I mean, I'd love to be sponsored by them, but we're not currently. So don't think we're just doing that to like, I don't know, make a quick buck. But Elon, and now we can get into our other article this is our first article. Elon Musk Tesla has stopped taking Bitcoin, but is weighing greener options. Here are 5 tokens it might consider. So yeah, they stopped using Bitcoin because apparently it's bad for the environment. There are different opinions on this, and a lot of people say that it's a lot better for the environment than, say, printing money. But at the end of the day, Elon Musk, who knows if it's really even Elon Musk with this problem of it not being green enough. It could be Tesla's, Tesla as a whole as the company. But either way, he sent Bitcoin's price soaring down and some other, greener cryptocurrencies soaring up, such as Cardano. So basically, they gave some options that they might consider, which is Ether, obviously, Ethereum. Obviously Ethereum has some problems at the moment, especially with the creator of Ethereum. But either way, that'll probably wash over in a little bit. But the second cryptocurrency that this article brought up is Cardano. So Cardano is a blockchain network running the cryptocurrency ADA that already uses a proof-of-stake system. This means that the users of the network validate transactions and get rewarded with cryptocurrency according to the number of coins they hold or are willing to offer as a sort of down payment. So this is basically a whole different way that we could run our financial system where it's basically the power is in the people's hands, basically. And then it also says that Cardano uses a tiny fraction of the energy of Bitcoin at 0.55 kilowatts per hour, or hours per transaction, compared to Bitcoin's 707 kilowatts per hour, according to the internet infrastructure firm. So yeah, basically, if you want a greener coin, you're really into the environment, Cardano is definitely the greener choice. Is it the better choice long term? That's really up to all of us. Obviously, XRP, obviously another one that people were thinking about, and Dogecoin. And Elon Musk also said that he wants to help improve Dogecoin as a currency on Twitter today. So that's why Dogecoin is up a lot as well. But here's the big thing. Cardano is one of these cryptocurrencies that he could definitely be looking at for Tesla instead of Bitcoin. Obviously, you can see here we are making new highs with Cardano. I can't remember if I made a video on Cardano, but I have been invested in Cardano. And before I bought it below $1. And it is now at about $1.91, which is crazy, up 20% in Ethereum, 16% in Bitcoin. The market cap is sitting at 60 billion, hasn't ever been this high. And as soon as it was announced that Bitcoin, Cardano could be, maybe a alternative to Bitcoin because it's a bit greener, it obviously just shot up in price, and people have been talking non-stop about Cardano today. So looking very good. We made new highs. Where are we going to make new support? I don't know. Previously we had support at about $1.60-ish, and we had a resistance at about $1.81. We broke right through that resistance. Now it looks like we're making a bit of a resistance at about $1.95. We'll have to see if we could break that. But it's looking super good. If we look at historical data, obviously market cap doesn't fluctuate too much, up 10 billion today, and the volume being traded is about 2 billion. Some days like May 6th, 10 billion, but yesterday there was 14 billion, and I'm assuming today, 13 billion. So we're up 125%. in our volume and 15% in the market cap. So everything is looking great for Cardano. Where are we going to find support? You know, we don't know yet. It is on 832,000 watch lists. I think by the end of this week we'll probably be on 1 million if we can you know, break that previous resistance of about $1.95 and maybe get to $2. But at the end of the day, I'm looking at a $5 price target that they gave earlier in this video in that article, like a juicy steak. I'm holding on to Cardano for dear life, and I'm not letting go. But yeah, so Cardano looking super good. My overall thoughts on it: I love Cardano, and it could be, you know, it could be in the future a very massive player in the crypto game. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. Make sure you consider joining our private Discord. If you guys want to join that, go ahead and click the first link in our description. If you want to join WeBull and get 2 free stocks that could be worth up to $1,850, then you can also do that. And all you have to do is click the second link in the description for that one. Consider leaving a like, comment, and subscribe, and turning on post notifications if you found this video helpful to you. But that's going to be it for me today. My name is Zach. I'll see you in the next video.